Hey everyone, welcome to NEET Helper 2020 for biology paper from Gamification India. Let us learn the trick how to prepare for biology in 40 days. This video is about how to split your study plan into 40 days. 35 days to read and prepare the chapters and 5 days for revision, which means you are going to give a 5 hours mock test every day for yourself from 21st to 25th July. This has been explained well in our general preparation video. Please watch it. Second one is what are all the important chapters to read and prepare in first place. This is based on the previous year question papers. And finally, important subchapters study plan. Here we will tell you the basics about NCERT biology textbook. We have split it into different permutation combination based on the subchapters. In biology for 11th and 12th standard, there are 226 subchapters and totally 629 pages. Considering that if you read 7 subchapters per day, then you can complete in 35 days, which means on an average 18 pages per day. If you see, according to 11th standard, there are 22 chapters and 139 subchapters are there. If you allocate it for 21 days, then per day you can complete 7 subchapters. And for 12th standard, there are 16 chapters and 87 subchapters are there. By completing 6 subchapters per day, then you can complete all the 87 subchapters in 14 days. Let us go and understand where we can focus and give our preference to the chapters. Out of 38 chapters, only 21 chapters are most important. We all know very well 90 questions will be asked in the NEET exam on biology paper. In that, 65 questions on an average you can expect from these 21 chapters, and you can give your preference to 122 subchapters out of 226 subchapters. For example, if you read just 4 subchapters per day, then in 35 days period of time, you will be excellent in all the 122 subchapters, which means you can cover 342 pages. Per day, you are just going to read and prepare only 10 pages. Now, your confidence would have increased more to crack the NEET exam, right? Shall we look into detail? Here in 11th standard, there are only 6 important chapters and 37 subchapters are there. From this, on an average, 24 questions have been asked in the previous years. We have given you the most important chapters below for 11th standard. 12th standard was highly considered because in the previous years there were 41 questions asked from these 15 chapters containing 85 subchapters. So please note down the chapters from here for 12th standard. We would like to guide you more on subchapters wise. How can you complete these 122 subchapters in 5 weeks duration, which means in 35 days? 2 weeks for 11th standard and 3 weeks for 12th standard. In first week from 11th standard, there are 17 subchapters from chapter 3 to chapter 5 from page number 29 to 83 as per NCERT book. On an average, 14 questions have been asked in the previous years. In the second week from 11th standard, you have only 20 subchapters from 3 chapters, chapter 9, 16 and 22. The pages are from 142 to 161 and 257 to 267 and 331 to 343. On an average, 10 to 11 questions asked in the previous years. When it comes to 12th standard, we have given 3 weeks duration since the important chapters and subchapters are more than 11th standard. In the third week for 12th standard, you can complete these 33 subchapters from 5 chapters, from chapter 2 to chapter 6, from page number 20 to 125, and approximately 18 questions have been asked in the previous years. Similarly, in the fourth week from 12th standard, 27 subchapters can be completed from chapter 7 to chapter 11, from page number 126 to 206. There were 12 questions have been asked from these 5 chapters. Finally, in the fifth week, there are balanced 25 subchapters, and here you have chapter 12 to chapter 16. These chapters are covered page number from 207 to 286. 12 questions are asked from these 5 chapters containing 25 subchapters. I hope you liked our video, so please subscribe our channel and press the like button and share your comments. We have given the other videos URL link in the description column. Please watch our rest of the videos and share your comments also. So prepare well with more confidence. We wish you all the very best and thank you so much.